Hello, my name is Nick Cavara, Executive Vice President at Panacea Life Sciences. I'm speaking to you today from our 51,000 square foot GMP certified facility here in Golden, Colorado. Panacea Life Sciences was established in 2017, and we're one of the leading cannabinoid companies here in the United States. Panacea is truly a seed-to-sale company, from our farm on the western slope to our extraction and manufacturing lab here in Golden, Colorado. Because we control the entire supply chain, Panacea is able to consistently deliver the highest quality CBD products on the market today. As I mentioned to you, we are a seed-to-sale company, so I'd like to show you where it all begins at our organic farm on the western slope of Colorado.
We're in the middle of Crawford, Colorado, which is western slope of Colorado. This farm, we're really going back in time because it's really Renaissance farming. If you think of how you're growing hemp, there's a lot easier ways to create CBD products, and we see that all the time. Everything across here is organically grown.
Natural fertilizing is probably one of the primary things that we do differently than many of the other operations. In this area of Colorado, all of the water comes from the snowpack that is on the tops of the mountains after the winter, and it melts, comes down through springs. It's filtered by the earth. If there's any impurities in it, by the time it gets to this field, that water is very clean. The motivation behind doing the organic farming has to do with that fundamental belief that we can do no harm to people. We have to make sure this is as pure as possible and that it provides them the benefits that we believe it will. These plants come off the field. They have quite a bit of water in them. We need to go ahead and make sure they're dry so we can then move them into processing.
We want a sustainable practice. It's important that we know what is going into people's bodies. And so the holistic, the organic, those are all important processes that we really believe in. This process is very difficult. There's a lot of steps to the process, but we know in the end that our product's going to be the best product, and that's what's important to us.
We are so proud of the results that we're seeing from our farm on the western slopes of Colorado. And now I'd like to show you how we convert all of that biomass into Panacea CBD products here at our labs in Golden, Colorado.
Welcome to our facility in Golden, Colorado. This is actually the receiving area where we take in our hemp. These blue totes that you see behind me here actually came off of our farm in western Colorado.
So once we get the hemp in from our farm, care is taken in each step. So that means we're testing in each step and we have quality control in each step. And that ensures that we deliver the best product to our customers.
Once we get our test results back from quality, we will then, from that point on, pull it from the bins and then spread it across trays to where then we actually enter it into the oven, and that basically starts our decarboxylation process. To pull that acid chain off, that's the only way that the body can actually intake the CBD.
We do things the hard way, but the benefit is it's the right way.
Then we move on and place it into bags. So as the bags enter and are placed into the cylinders, our CO2 process is happening, and that's what actually extracts the CBD from the hemp via CO2 or carbon dioxide.
The Golden facility has multifacets involved. We not only take raw materials and convert it on an industrial scale to a finished distillate. We also have a research and development lab that provides new formulations, new ideas.
We see in the future that the FDA is going to regulate this industry, and we want to be ready for that. So when we started this business, we looked 5 years in the future. CBD, there's a lot of different companies, but what is going to differentiate Panacea Life Sciences from our other competitors? Well, GMP is the answer. GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practices, and it's a standard within the pharmaceutical industry.
Once it's ran through its full run, we collect it from our honey pot, and that's where our crude oil sits. We then move over to our distillation process. And our distillation will separate out our terpenes, as well as our fats and lipids, as well as our volatiles. It will actually pull all those out and leave us with a very nice, clean, gold-looking CBD distillate, which we then enter into our formulation for our final products.
So this is our soft gel and tablet packaging line. The goal is definitely to create the highest quality product and the highest consistency as possible, and these machines really help us do that. Oh, it's very impressive.
So everything that we do in the laboratory is to create the best product for our customers. Everything from the research and development, the quality, the testing, our production and extraction. That all goes into making the best product.
I'm making something that people ingest on a daily basis. I do not want my name to be on a product that is not of my standards or the FDA standards.
When you hear these comments repeatedly about how high quality our products are, it makes you feel incredibly proud. And all of the effort suddenly that at the time seemed painful is worth it.
Thank you for considering Pana CBD products for your store. Your new line of CBD products will generate new incremental revenue and increase foot traffic for your stores. Pana CBD products will help you help your customers get the job done.